What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Slack and some tips and tricks that you can use. And seriously, you really need to learn how to use Slack if you're going into tech. It's one of the things people use to collaborate. So let's do this. Right now we are on Google and we're gonna type Slack download. So I'm gonna look down for the right link to click on so I can just download it from the right source. Don't worry, I'm gonna put the link to this in my description so they can easily download Slack. Let's do right here. It says Slack for Windows. So come down to download. It says 64-bit, but that is for my system, and for some other system it might say 32-bit. So you might want to check your system, but I think it automatically detects this. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click on download. We click on download, we're sent to this page. If you look down, you can see it's already downloading. So it's going to take a couple of minutes. So we're going to wait for it to finish downloading, then we'll continue the process. Downloading. Let's continue the process. So right here it says here, once downloaded, open the file by double clicking it in your download folder. Then number 2, it says follow instruction to install Slack to your computer. The number 3, connect your account by clicking the button below. So right here now we're going to click connect account because we want to connect our account. Plus I already downloaded Slack before and I have some workspaces I need to reconnect back to this Slack I'm just downloading. So let's do that. Here we are. It says first enter your email account. So depending if you have it, put your Gmail in or your Apple. Now if you're working and you have a work email, you can put it underneath. You can see it here. It says name_work then email.com. So just put in your work email account if you do have. So right now I do advise, if you're trying to retrieve some of your former workspaces, you should use those emails that you used when you registered in the beginning for Slack. If not, you're not going to be able to connect back to those workspaces that you were in. So just use the same email that you used before. So let me put in my email. Put in your email account and you have logged in. This appears. It says welcome back, stay hydrated. So underneath you can see all our workspaces. We can only log into one for now, but I'm going to show you how you can get all of them back all at once. So I'm going to click on the first workspace. So I'm going to open that up now. So let's do that. So once I clicked open on that, this appeared. And take note, I've not gone to the Slack that we were downloading to open it up. I've not gone there. So I'm going to click open right now and see what happens. Okay, so the Slack app opened up and I can now see the workspace that I was in before. So I didn't really need to do any setup on the Slack app itself. Once I'm done doing the process on the web, automatically it just links up to the Slack application that I have on my laptop. That's cool. Now let me show you how you can retrieve your workspaces that you were in before. Now come over to your left side of the screen, click on the plus. So once you click on the plus, you see sign into another workspace, create a new workspace. And you can also see find workspace. That's what we're going to click on now. Click on find workspace. So immediately I click a workspace. So now this appears, says let's find your team. I'm going to click on Gmail. Okay, so this is my Gmail account which are linked to those workspaces. So this is one I'm going to use. So okay, now all are loading. Okay, so now that's showing. You can see them at the side, left hand side. You can see those boxes. Yeah, just click on them. Now the minimum of workspaces you can restore back to your Slack account, you can connect back to, is 15. So once it's past 15, you won't be able to restore any other one. So you have to make sure you count it, make sure it's 15. Once it's 15, you can go ahead and restore them back. See, so you can see it right here. It says you can only add 15 accounts at a time. Please deselect some workspaces and try again. So if I have more than 15 workspaces that I want to add back, I will need to repeat this process again to add them. So let's go ahead and add them. Now we are done selecting the workspaces. Let's go back up, then click on open. So that's how you can download Slack and also restore all your workspaces. Now let me show you some little things before we go. Okay, now we are on Slack. Let me show you some things you need to know. This side, this is all your workspaces that you have joined or you have been invited to join right here. Now these are all the channels in a particular workspace. So right now I am in Code Camp workspace, and these are all the channels they created in the workspace. So if I want to join a particular channel, let me show you how you can do that. Come down here to add a channel, click on it. Once you click on it, so you can see right here, these are the channels that I've joined. You can see here it says join, this, but these ones right here, it says view and join, I am not in them exactly. So let me look for one I can join right now. Now I'm gonna join this channel. So let me join this one. I'm gonna click here. Once I do, like come to this side here where all the channels are, I'll be able to find it. So this is it right here. So once I click on it, I can now view the messages in it of the people who have been chatting and also joining this channel. Okay, right here, let me show you how you can leave a channel. All you need to do is to move your cursor on it, then just click on it, then right click. So first you left click on it, then you right click for this option to come out. Once the option comes out, you see leave channel there, then click on leave channel. But if I want to rejoin, I just simply need to come to add channel and just need to go through the options right here, look for it. Okay, yeah, this is the name channel, so I can just join by clicking here. So I'm back again. You can see join here on the channel side. It's now there, and I have tax channel and I have meme right here. So right here, if you take a look down here, direct message. Now let me tell you about the direct message. Direct messages are like basically DMs, like personally chatting with people, because you don't want other people to read the message. To just personally slide into their DM and just talk to them. So if I come right here, I can click on this person's name, Ola. I'm gonna click on his name. I can see all the messages that we have been sending to each other. And one of the things you notice on Slack is we have a thing called thread. Now, instead of writing messages all over the channel, so if I want to reply to this message, all I need to do, this particular message, I can just come right here and see reply in thread. I just click on it, so I don't need to leave where I am. Automatically a side box opens up, then I can now type my message right here. See, then send it. And if you also notice, I can send video and voice recording, but these are paid features, but Slack can allow you to use it for a particular period of time, then they'll take it away and you'll be able to use it again until you pay for it. So right here, if I send this, you notice here, see, so the message I sent appeared right in its message. So this is what we call thread in Slack. Instead of writing it like this outside it, I can reply straight in the message. So now if you want to chat with someone in a group, let me show you how you can do it. All you need to do is come to the person's name, click on it. Once you click on it, you see down here it says message. So you're personally messaging this person, nobody else will see this message. You just click on it and this is it. So right here I can send a message to him personally, and once I do that, his name will appear right here under direct message. So then just send him an emoji right here, click on it, smile and a hi, then send. So if I come down here, you can see his name is now here. So all my direct messages appear underneath direct messages. Then all my channels appears under channels. And when there's a message in a channel, you notice this is white and bold like this. Slack has a lot of other features like huddle, where you can talk to everybody in a channel. They can all join and you guys can have like a discussion. And I've showed you how you can restore a work group that you're a part of and how you can download Slack. And there's so much more that Slack can do. But at this point, I'd like to say thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.